An Old Orchard Beach police officer is in ICE custody tonight. John Luke Evans of Jamaica was arrested on Friday.
Evans was a reserve police officer with the department. Bonnie Bishop joining us live from the Old Orchard Beach police station. And Bonnie, we're just hearing from the police chief who says Officer Evans actually cleared to work in May by Homeland Security.
John, Kathleen, that's right. The chief says that she relied on the Department of Homeland Security to make sure that she was meeting her legal responsibilities. She also says she thought that Evans' work permit expired in 2030. She released a longer statement to us saying, quote, "We are distressed and deeply concerned about this apparent error on the part of the federal government. We intend to investigate this matter to determine what other steps we should take moving forward to ensure our continued compliance with all applicable laws." Now, ICE officials say Evans' arrest came after he tried to illegally purchase a gun, and that's when they found out he had been allegedly overstaying his visa by nearly 2 years. In a statement, ICE claims the police department hired an illegal immigrant and alleges that they were, quote, knowingly breaking the very law that they are charged with enforcing. Now, the chief says that she takes her legal responsibilities very seriously and that Evans' employment status is under review, and tonight we do not know where Evans is.
Old Orchard Beach Police Chief Elise Chard confirmed the hiring and expressed deep concern over the incident, stating that Evans had completed all necessary employment paperwork, including a federal immigration and work authorization form that was approved by the Department of Homeland Security, DHS. "We are distressed and deeply concerned about this apparent error on the part of the federal government," Chief Chard said in a statement. According to Chief Chard, Evans presented an I-766 employment authorization document that appeared valid until March 2030. The department had no reason to suspect his immigration status was unlawful at the time of hiring. Evans reportedly told ICE officers that he tried to purchase a personal firearm for his police duties. However, Chief Chard made it clear that department policy prohibits reserve officers from carrying or purchasing personal firearms for use on the job. All weapons used by reserve officers are department issued and must be returned at the end of each shift. Read more at JamaicaLiveNews.com.